Hi guys, we're back in this melon playground. This ugly game. Please creator, fix this game. My train is glitching. Please can you fix this and like, share, and subscribe. And click subscribe. I want to make 1,000 subscribers. I have many money. I pay Robux. I will give you everyone huge and I make money. So, guys, we are having this ugly train. This is coolest train in the world. This is the coolest train. Oh yeah. This train is looking like good. Chug. This train's so good. I know what is this. This is my copy train in my train Mega 1. It's glitching. I have a new. I save. We're trying to save. I made so. This is Kid. Hi. I'm Mr. Melon Bob. This is Bobbin. This is Tarji. And this is Jack. And this is I don't know what his name is this. Guys, this is a safely train in the world. I made this and go train, you can do this. Oh no. Not working, rat train. Rat train. This is the coolest train. Alog you train. This is the coolest train in the world. Looking Polar Express train. It's so loud. It's not low but my phone. This game so this creator is not helping this game. He's not helping our player in playing this melon playground. That's not good. That's good if helping our people installing this. This is a lag. Chug cha cha. Chug cha cha. Disable and open it. And I made the fix. I delete this, not cool. Guys, we are starting here. I'll connect. And this commercial so rat. Bayan. Wait nga guys. kapal talaga ng mukha niya. Why so lag? This creator so dead. Na-under ka or babato ka kita? Bagul-bagul eh. We got a new steam train. Coolest train ever seen. And another trailer. This train missile. This train calling train missile. And let's open. A rocket, a missile. And this man's reloading a missile. Guys, reload this. Reload. Ayaw mo pumasok or papakain ko sa'yo yung laman ng train. And guys, and I dropped this just and just. Okay, that's cool. And go. This train's not the best. Guys, I have a new. This is a goodest train. This is a train passenger. Guys, if you want this, like, share, and subscribe. If you subscribe, I upload more. This is a coolest train. This is calling train. This trailer calling passenger, train passenger. This is looking in Roblox. If you wanna like, I made this in Roblox. My playing this best train. Guys, if this you want, I made this. I connecting. Ano, papasok kayo? Hindi. Ayan. Okay, now guys, let's destroy this train. Guys, we are done now. Share. Oh, share. Guys, here. This coolest thing. Guys, if you want more, if you want to comment my video, I made it. I will make a new train if you comment. And I'll drop here trailers and train and the trailer missile. And where's a passenger? Passenger! I found it. New trailer, calling this new trailer, and this real calling is train trailer passenger. I know this. This is the coolest train now. This a new train looking Edward the man-eating train, like the train, calling ugly train. Train Mega 7? Not real. I don't dropping some bullet train, guys. Come on. Bullet train. Hey guys, I found the... Oh guys, this commercial so red. Sorry guys, the commercial is Chismosa. Guys, this is my old train and our lastest train is this. This is a looking Choo Charles trains. And where's the last? This is a lastest train in the world. This is Habano trailer. And lastest one. Oh. No. So guys, we are done this record. This is my old train. And this is my... I don't know what this is named train. Wait guys. I will... So I like, share, and subscribe. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.